In this video, we will show you how to fix a problem Wi-Fi network not detected even the wireless driver has been installed. You can see I cannot see anything network in here while my driver is installed properly. You can see on our device manager here. Okay, if you see on my device manager, my network for Wi-Fi is already installed properly. You can see how to fix this problem. Let's see on our control panel to see our network is on there, and you can see there. This is our Wi-Fi network. Not detect anything Wi-Fi in here. You can see there. To fix this problem, you need just right click on your Wi-Fi here and click properties and select client for Microsoft Network and select configure button. In here, you can try to select advanced tab here, and then you can select the values of your network here for wireless mode. Just select to number 6, for example, dual band using ABG, okay, and click OK. Now, just click again on your Wi-Fi. You can see there. Now, your Wi-Fi is detect any Wi-Fi coverage here. And that's all tutorial how to fix a problem Wi-Fi network not appear on our Wi-Fi while our device manager showing that the driver installed properly. That's all. Hope this video helpful for you.